I'm Whitney, the owner, designer, and biggest mess maker at WLB Designs. When I first started, I never dreamed it would be like this. I did it kind of as a relaxation technique after my real job at that point in time. Just something to do, something crafty to have fun. Never dreamed that it would be like this. My OMTech laser has changed the profitability for my business, mostly with my time. Rather than taking a really long time for things to cut, I can cut things in about a fifth of the time that it used to take me. I'm 100% self-taught. When I first started, I was hand cutting all my shapes. I couldn't keep up. I originally purchased a different laser, then it was too slow, so I ended up getting this one, which changed my life. It goes so much quicker. What used to take about 6 hours to cut now takes about 45 minutes. I chose the OMTech laser over other competitors because of the competitive bed size, the pass-through, and the super supportive Facebook group that I was able to join. It used to be that I had to cut everything in 15 or 16 pieces and glue them together. I now can do it in one go, meaning that my projects are more cohesive, takes less time, and a more solid product for my customer.